in the history of East Portland that we have had so many programs to fix roads. We have the REACH program. We have the Spark that is coming. We have the patching program. And the South Coast Highway is coming all the way. Road is one of the #1 crime in East Portland because so many roads, not even donkey could walk on them. And as much road as we fix, is as much road that needs to be fixed. But it is impossible to fix 31 years of neglect in 5 years. The entire budget for the entire island will have to be spent in Portland for that to happen. But if you look at what has happened in the last 5 years, you can be assured that in the next 5 years, we will almost reach where we want to reach. I want to tell you that my free mammogram program, 200 women were able to go into Kingston this year to get their registration. We spent over $9 million on education. Carter Park, when I came to East Portland, Carter Park was a boat pen. Right! A boat pen! And today, we are able to play night football with a stadium-level light. This government understands sports and education. And I am urging the youth in Portland, because we take Portland as one. East and West is only for purposes of election. Together, my husband and I are steering Portland. I am urging the youth to take advantage of the HART program and get yourself certified and upskilled so that when the bone begins and is completed, you will be ready